here we are, ready for the best time of year, and absolutely love this time of year. So, hope you guys have been enjoying the podcast and the blogs. Make sure you follow the Grandon group on Instagram, Facebook, all that fun stuff. Make sure you go to our website, thegrandongroup.com, and check out our almost daily blogs on there. We've been getting a lot of hits. Even get some people that are like keyboard warriors and they just fire off dumb stuff. But what can you do about that? Anyways, I wanted to welcome you guys back to the Grandon group. And I'm going to have to, let's see. I think this worked. Let's make sure this is just recording for you and stuff. But anyways, we want to make sure that you know that September is a great, great time in Arizona. So I'm Jason Grandon, your favorite realtor, and your go-to guy for buying and selling homes in the Valley. And, of course, my sister handles our northern part, Prescott, Flagstaff, Sedona, all that fun stuff. So let's get this out of the way because I know it's one of those deals that no one wants to talk about. Regardless, I know we're not fully in spring or fall yet, but we are here, and it's officially pumpkin spice season. That's right. The pumpkin spice lattes are back. Halloween stores are popping up on every corner. And yes, Arizona is finally starting to cool off. Up north is absolutely beautiful. Mid-70s. It's been great. Down here in the Phoenix area, you know, we all know fall in Arizona means that it's 98 degrees instead of 115. So today I'm telling you something even more exciting than pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin spice bread, and all that fun stuff. All the stuff that's going to be putting fat around our bellies. So September, well, first of all, let me tell you this. The market has been fantastic. Yes, it's been a little slow, but interest rates are finally dropping and things have started to move. In fact, the past 30 days has been kind of nice because we're getting calls on just some different things that we weren't getting calls on. So anyways, let me tell you this. September is the smartest month to list your home in Arizona. And if you're even thinking about selling it, now's the time to do it. So grab your favorite fall drink, maybe light the pumpkin candles, and let's talk about why listing your home right now can make you thousands more and get you moved into your dream home for that awesome holiday party, which I'm hoping that we have an invite for. Okay, everybody, fall is in the air, and guess what? So are the buyers. Lower rates, more buyers. People see things changing, and I'll tell you what, it's time to get moving. So let's start with the obvious. Nobody wants to hunt for houses when it's 120 outside. When it's super hot, it's just draining. You go look at a couple of homes, you're in and out of the car, you're sweating, you smell like a foot. It's just not fun. So we're finally getting to that sweet spot where the morning airs are cooler and evenings are absolutely awesome. And you know what? Buyers are actually excited to get out and see homes again. So here's what's happening in the market. Sellers are waiting until October, which means less competition for you. Buyers are motivated. They want to list their home before the holidays, school's back in, and they want to avoid moving around Thanksgiving and Halloween and Christmas. So it's kind of like the perfect storm of the year. People are like, okay, wait a second. I don't want to move during the holidays. I want to have my house situated. And the sellers are like, I don't want to be packing up during the holidays. I need to get rid of this house. So here's the kicker. Arizona snowbird season is coming fast. Out-of-state buyers are looking now to get their winter escapes. Plus, people that have been sitting on the fence are ready to rock and roll. So while your neighbors are waiting, I can't even talk today. While your neighbors are waiting to see, I'm going to see how the market looks, you can be one step ahead. Also, I want to give a little shout out as we get into our next segment here. LJ Windows. Right now, if you're thinking about remodeling your house, this group does a great job with windows. They're affordable, they do a great job, and it makes your house look fantastic. Plus, it adds value to your house. So numbers below, reach out to them. I'd like to give a little shout out for them. Also, Extreme Pools. So many of you are coming to the end of summer. We're still swimming, but we're coming to the end of summer. Now you're thinking, maybe next summer I want to be able to have a pool so I can have a pool party. Reach out to Sandra with Extreme Pools. Her number's below. We'll get you taken care of there. She can start designing, building, and have your pool done by spring break. It's going to be a great time. Okay, so let's talk about one of my favorite parts of selling a home in the fall, and that is staging. Now, yes, for those of you that know me, zero style when it comes to staging. Obviously, I just throw stuff up all over the place. But right now is a great time. So if you have any sort of inkling for the design world, let me tell you, pumpkin spice candles, baking your breads, putting up the fall colors in the house, just giving that fall feeling. It's a perfect time to create an experience that people love, and fall is the perfect time for that. So picture this: a warm candle, spice candle burning, cozy throw blankets draped over the couch, fall colors of course, maybe even a plate of warm fall cookies or chocolate chip or the molasses. That's all starting to come out now. And I know you're going to say, oh, it's kind of Christmassy, but no, it feeds into fall. So buyers walk, and now, the other thing is have your floors cleaned and have everything just spotless. Buyers walk in and suddenly they're not just looking at a house. They're picturing holiday dinners, family gatherings, cozy movie nights. You need an emotional connection. It sells your house. And listen, if you've got kids, let them have fun. A few tasteful Halloween decorations can actually make your home feel more alive. We're not talking about full haunted house vibes, but a few pumpkins by the door, maybe some straw, fall wreath. Buyers love it. Everybody's been waiting a very long time, or what it seems like a long time, for this. So think about some stuff like that. Okay? Now, the next part is we're going to the snowbird rush. And let's face it, I know tons of you, including myself, you get behind that driver that stops in the middle of the road so they can text, and they don't know how to use the Arizona roads. They don't know that you can't make a right from the left lane and so forth. But you know what? We love the snowbirds. And let's not forget, Arizona has a unique advantage this time of year, and that is our famous snowbirds. So whether you're in Scottsdale, Flagstaff, Prescott, the snowbirds are coming. Those winter visitors from colder states in Canada are ready to buy. They're scrolling Zillow, which not a big fan of Zillow, and we'll get into that at a later date. A lot of issues with that, but you can certainly go to the grandongroup.com, check it out. I've got one of the best apps out there, and actually I think it's better than Zillow because it dials you in to your specific area right here in Arizona, and there's more stuff on it. So they're scrolling, they're calling agents, and they're making offers in September so they can enjoy the sunshine while everyone else is out getting ready to shovel snow and freeze their rear end off. So if your home is on the market now, you're not just selling it to locals. You're opening the door to serious out-of-state, sometimes cash buyers who want to lock something in fast. Right now, September is the time to get that going. And trust me, this window closes quick. So why waiting costs money? Okay, let's get serious for a second. A lot of homeowners make the mistake of waiting for spring to sell. And honestly, that's a bad move. In the past few years, we really had no crystal ball to say, hey, interest rates are going to be here and there. And they were, going up, and it was affecting the market. Right now, here's why it's a good move. We know interest rates are dropping. They've been dropping the past couple days prior to this podcast. Interest rates are unpredictable, but we know they're dropping, and overall, we know they're going to probably come down. The higher rate can shrink a buyer's budget overnight. But with the rates coming down, it's opening up that door. Inventory will spike in the spring, meaning more competition for your home if these rates continue to drop. And right now, we have quite a few homes on the market, so it's going to take a little bit of time to clear out the market, but they are clearing, and there's new people popping up to sell their homes. The buyers are out shopping right now, and that means they're serious. They're not casually walking into a house saying, oh, you know what? I like it, but we just started looking. They're ready to close. September means more leverage, less competition, and faster sales. Any of your full-time experienced agents can tell you that. We've been down this road before. We see it. It's just the trend. So, you guys get prepped, get moved, get cozy. Here are the best parts of selling now. So once you're under contract, you've got the time to settle into your new home before the holidays. So imagine this. You get through so this is actually funny. Let me just go back on this. Showing a house this weekend, and I told the people, excuse me, they're purchasing a house. It's going to close the end of September. And I told them, make sure you have Halloween candy because this neighborhood has a ton of kids. And trust me, If you do not have the candy, there's probably going to be toilet paper on your trees. They were laughing about it and stuff like that. But imagine this, Thanksgiving in a brand new kitchen, or Christmas, having your house decorated with the trees and everything, just getting that feeling, or even better, ringing in the new year in a space that actually feels like you. Okay? So listen, sell now, move smoothly, and spend the rest of the year enjoying life instead of stressing over open houses and keeping the house clean for other showings and this and that. Let's get it done with. Okay, so the Granon Group Advantage. So as you guys know, first of all, thank you for making us the #1 podcast, lifestyle and real estate podcast in Arizona. We really appreciate it. And I hope some of you that are watching this video like it. I'm doing it on video. We're also doing it on the podcast, The Lockbox. You can hear it on Apple, Spotify, all those channels. We're getting, some people just like to watch these things. And trust me, as I get used to this camera, you'll see some things change in the background. We'll get some different sets and all this fun stuff. But the Granon Group comes in here, and you want to interview your agent. So interview 2-3 agents. Make sure one's the Granon Group, Arizona's #1 brother and sister real estate team. And listen, I tell everybody this. I don't just list a home. We market them. We market a lifestyle. We market them strategically. We know this market inside and out, from snowbird trends, equine. As you know, we grew up on a big horse ranch, and luxury properties. And listen, the luxury property bit too, and we'll do a podcast on this at a later date. Luxury means there's luxury in every price point. So we just sold a mobile home for like $18,000, and this guy was so excited to buy it. That's his luxury property. And you know what? Good for him. Great. We were excited to help out. And, so whether you're buying an $18,000 mobile home or a $10 million mansion, it doesn't matter. You are buying a lifestyle, and that's what people need to know. If you're ready to move, give me a call. No pressure, no obligation. Exactly. Call me and you're like, Jason, what's my house worth? Send it over in an email or a text. I'll shoot it back to you. Just make sure I have your email so I can send you the report. And we know what buyers are looking for right now. We've got a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of fun stuff going on. September is a great month. I want you guys to get out and enjoy the Fall Fest. Flagstaff is absolutely beautiful right now. Prescott's incredible. I was just up in Happy Jack again. It's absolutely perfect. And you know what? The mornings you can take the dogs out for a walk without breaking a sweat. Evenings are incredible right now. So you know what? It's just a great time all around. And remember, real estate is more than just buying a house. It's a lifestyle. All right, friends. That's it for today's episode of the Granon Group Real Estate Show, The Lockbox. Don't wait. Don't overthink it. September's your golden opportunity to sell your home for top dollar. So listen, go grab a pumpkin spice latte, go over to Dutch Brothers, go over to, Starbucks, or do what I did and build like a coffee kitchen. I don't drink coffee, my wife does, and we have everything set up there as well. So anyways, get that going, get ready to start baking. Your next home is out there waiting for those of you looking to sell. Give me a call, let's talk about it. Hit that subscribe button, share this with someone who's been talking about selling, and keep in mind, agents, if you're a realtor listening to this, we do pay the best referrals in the country. There is no doubt about it. So listen, Grandon Group, Arizona's #1 brother and sister real estate team. You guys have a great, great day, and we will talk to you on the next podcast. Thanks again.